Welcome to Vocab Loco. In this video, we'll show you how to remove students from a list assignment. And the good news is there are a few ways to do it depending on what you need. The most direct option is using the Students panel. From your Teacher dashboard, go to Word List in the left sidebar and open the Assign List tab. Find the list card you want to update, then click the Students button, the one showing the total number of students assigned. A panel will open with every student on that list. Use the search bar or the grade filter to find who you're looking for, then click Remove next to their name. That's all it takes. If you're not sure which list to look at, you can search by student name instead. In the filter bar at the top of the Assigned List tab, click the Students toggle next to the search box. Type the student's name and the tab will instantly filter to show only the list cards that include that student. Each card will display a badge with the student's name. From there, click Remove on any card to unassign them from that list. For a bigger picture view, especially if you need to clean up assignments for several students at once, head to the Student List Assignments page. Click the Student List button at the top of the Assigned List tab. You'll see a table of all your students with how many lists each one is currently assigned to. Click List next to any student to open a breakdown of their assignments and remove specific lists from there. Or select multiple students using the checkboxes and click Remove Students from All Lists to unassign them in one action. One more thing. If you're already inside the assignment editor working on a specific list, you can also manage a student's other assignments without leaving the screen. In Step 2, the Lists Assigned column shows how many other lists each student is on. Click the button next to a student to open a modal where you can remove them from those other assignments directly. This won't affect the list you're currently editing. And that's it! Whether you need to remove one student from one list or clean up across your whole class, Vocab Loco gives you the flexibility to do it quickly from wherever you already are. If you have any questions, visit the knowledge base. We're happy to help.